Well, working I can do while this goes on outside, watering and things like that, but filming is, I just can't do it. It would be too annoying to have that noise in the background. And of course we need rain. I mean, we need more rain. The floods, you know, in people's houses and all over the land aren't deep enough. We need more rain. Come on, let's have some more rain. It's just endless, absolutely endless. Anyway, as a consequence of not being able to do anything other than the bit of watering I had to do, that's it, I'm done for the day now. See you tomorrow, when hopefully it won't be raining. Well, we can hope, can't we? See you tomorrow.